Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teacher Modern English of School Kunti Nagar, Navata. Students, today I am going to discuss exercise 7b. Okay. So first example number 12. Example number 12, in the given figure, DB is perpendicular to BC, DB is perpendicular to BC, DE is perpendicular to AB, DE is perpendicular to AB, and AC is perpendicular to BC, AC is perpendicular to BC. Then prove that कि BE by DE equal to AC by BC, right? So first of all, proof in triangle DEB, BED, in triangle BED and triangle ACB. Okay, so angle BED equal to angle ACB equal to 90 degree. Okay students, so चूंकि DB is perpendicular to BC, then we say that कि angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. In triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degree, then we say that कि angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. So RHS is equal, then LHS is also equal. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 is cancelled, then we write कि angle 1 equal to angle 3. So angle 1 equal to angle 3 and angle DEB equal to angle ACB, then we say that कि triangle BED is similar to triangle ACB. Angle similarity. Okay, so we write कि BE by AC equal to ED by CB equal to BD by AB. Okay, प्रूव करना BE by DE and AC and CB. Okay, so these two equations, BE multiply CB by cross multiplication equal to ED multiply AC. Okay, so we write कि BE by DE equal to AC by BC. 14 student of exercise 7b. 14, in an isosceles triangle ABC, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, if any two sides are equal in a triangle, is called an isosceles triangle. So AC equal to BC, then AC equal to BC and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, these are the isosceles triangle. Base AB is produced both base in P and Q. AB is produced in both base, यानी दोनों साइड में प्रोड्यूस किया गया. तो AB को इधर P पॉइंट तक एंड AB को इस साइड में Q पॉइंट तक प्रोड्यूस किया गया. इन सच दैट इस प्रकार किया गया कि AP मल्टीप्लाई BQ इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर. ओके, देन प्रूव दैट कि ट्रायंगल ACP इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल BCQ. ओके, सो प्रूफ. Students, given AP multiply BQ equal to AC square, then we write कि AC multiply AC. Okay, AP BQ and AC and AC. Okay, so we write कि AP by AC equal to AC by BQ. Okay, नेक्स्ट की AP by AC. For AP by AC, AC and BC are equal sides of triangle ABC. Then because the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, then we write put AP by BC equal to AC by BQ, right? Because AC equal to BC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. तो AP by BC, AP by BC and AC by BQ and AC by BQ. Now in triangle ACP and triangle BCQ, okay, then we write ki AP by BC, AP by BC and AC by BQ, okay, AP by AC and AP by AC, AP by BC and AC by BQ. And चूंकि angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree because these are the linear pair, and angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. These are also linear pair. Linear pair angles. Then RHS is equal what? Angle 1 equal to angle 2 because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, then angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. So angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So angle 2 and angle 1 are equal, then these are, we write ki angle 4 equal to angle 3. Then angle 4 equal to angle 3. So AP by BC and AC by BQ, and these are including angle AC के बीच का एंगल 4 and BQ और BC के बीच का एंगल 3, ये दोनों इक्वल है. तो साइड एंगल साइड से दोनों ट्रायंगल ACP is similar to triangle BCQ. Side angle side. Okay. Now next question number 15. In the given figure, angle 1 equal to angle 2 and AC by BD equal to CB by CE. AC, these sides are AC of triangle ABC, by BD equal to CB by CE. CB by CE. Then prove that triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCE. So let's start. First of all, in triangle DBC, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, these are the isosceles triangle. Triangle DBC is an isosceles triangle because the angle 1 equal to angle 2. Then we write कि BD equal to DC. BD equal to DC. Okay. Since triangle DBC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now in triangle ACB and triangle DCE, ACB and DCE, this triangle and the big triangle. Okay, so ACB and DCE. So given कि AC by BD equal to CB by CE. Student AC. For this side AC by BD. So this side BD. So BD equal to DC. Then put the value BD equal to DC. So we write कि AC by DC equal to CB. CB by CE. Okay. And angle C equal to angle C are common. Okay. So angle C in triangle ACB and angle C in triangle DCE. Then we write कि triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCE. DCE. AC and BC including angle 2 and DC and D including angle 2, then side angle side criteria. Okay. 17. Okay. 17 number question ki in a circle. Okay students, and two chords AB and CD. Two chords A, B and CD are the two chords AB and CD. Intersect at a point P. Inside the circle. Prove that first कि triangle PAC is similar to triangle PDB. Okay. And the second, prove PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Let's start. Proof. First of all, in triangle PAC and triangle PDB. PAC and triangle PDB. Okay. These angles APC equal to angle BPD are vertically opposite angle. We write the angle APC equal to angle DPB vertically opposite angles. Okay. And angle CAP equal to angle BDP. Same segments. Same segment angles in a circle. Okay. Then we write the triangle PAC is similar to triangle PD. Angle similarity. Okay. We write the PA by PD equal to PC by PB equal to AC by DB. PAC is similar to PDB. First is clear. And second, PA into PB. Then in two equations we write by cross multiplication the PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay. PA into PB, PC into PD. Next question number 19 and the last question of this exercise. In a right triangle ABC, okay, right angle at B, D is a point on the hypotenuse. If is the hypotenuse, AC side is the opposite of angle of the right angle. So AC is the hypotenuse. Such that BD perpendicular to AC. So in right triangle ABC at angle B equal to 90 degree, D is a point on the hypotenuse such that कि BD is perpendicular to AC, DP is perpendicular to AB, and DQ is perpendicular to BC. Okay, prove that. First, DQ square equal to DP into QC, and the second, DP square equal to DQ into AP. So, in right triangle ABC at angle B equal to 90 degree, D is a point on the hypotenuse. Okay, AC is the hypotenuse. So BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is the perpendicular to AC. Okay. DP is the perpendicular to AB. DP is the perpendicular to AB. DQ is the perpendicular to BC. DQ is the perpendicular to BC. Then prove that DQ square equal to DP into QC, and DP square equal to DQ into AP. So first, naming these angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, proof. First, in triangle BQD and triangle DQC. First, in triangle BQD and triangle DQC. Okay, so BQD, angle BQD equal to angle DQC equal to 90 degree, because here DQ is the perpendicular to BC, right? And these are 90 degree. So we write the angle 1 plus angle 2 in triangle BQD, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. And in the given question, BD is the perpendicular to AC. BD is the perpendicular to AC. Then we write the angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. So RHF is equal, then LHF is also equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So angle 2 is cancelled. Then rest is angle 1 equal to angle 3. Okay. So angle 1 equal to angle 3 and these are 90 degree. Then we say that triangle BQD is similar to triangle DQC. Okay. So the right sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. We write BQ by DQ equal to BD by DC. Prove that DQ square equal to DP into QC. DQ square. So DQ and equal to DQ by QC. Okay. So these two by cross multiplication, DQ square equal to BQ into QC. So BQ and PD are equal because in a quadrilateral BQDP, in a quadrilateral students BQDP, in a quadrilateral, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle Q equal to 90 degree, angle D equal to 90 degree and angle P equal to 90 degree. BQ DP is a rectangle. Then we say that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Then we write कि BQ equal to PD. So we write कि DQ square equal to BQ and PD are equal. Since चूंकि quadrilateral BQDP या PBQD is a rectangle because कि all angles are 90 degree. Okay, then we write कि BQ equal to PD and PB equal to DQ. Okay, then we write कि BQ equal to PD. So PD into QC. So first is clear and next second. Next question number 2. DP square equal to DQ into AP. For DP, these DP, DQ and AP. For DQ and PV are equal. Then these sides and AP, these sides. For in both triangles. For in triangle PDA and triangle PBD and triangle PBD. Okay, so angle APD equal to angle DPB equal to 90 degree. Okay, these angles are 90 degree. So angle 2 90 degree, 1 2 3 4, these are 5 and these are 6. Okay, so in triangle PDA angle P is 90 degree, then we write कि angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to 90 degree. Okay, because the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree and BD is the perpendicular to AC. Then we write कि angle 6 plus angle 7 is 90 degree. Angle 6 plus angle 7 equal to 90 degree because these are 90 degree angle. Okay, so RHF is equal, then we write कि LHF is also equal. Angle 5 plus angle 6 equal to angle 6 plus angle 7. Angle 6 is cancel. Then we write कि angle 5 equal to angle 7. These and these angles are equal. Then we write कि triangle PDA is similar to triangle PBD. Okay, angle similarity, right? And sides are proportional. So PD by PB equal to AD by BD equal to PA by PD, right? Prove that it DP square. For DP here and DP here, this and this, DP PA into PB. So we write कि PD into PD by cross multiplication, DP square equal to PA into PB. Okay, so PA and DQ, so PB equal to DQ because कि BQDP PBQ3 is a rectangle. So we write कि PB equal to DQ. So DP square equal to AP multiply DQ. Okay.